So you go to the chart, so see how the chart is going right there. So yeah, the market had dropped. This is a 1 minute time frame, 30 minutes time frame. Seems the market is going down. So yeah, I can say on this, but I'll be in losses. I need to monitor the trade. While I'm doing that, I can open up. I can buy since it's going up. So as you can see, the buy, I'll be making money out of it. So this one I'm losing on top, but with indices it's going to drop just the same as this one, the way it has dropped. When it just drops, you can make over like $100 or $200, depends on how much it's going to drop. So the way it is just at the verge of dropping, so it's going to drop, it's going to reach somewhere here. So I can watch the whole stocks, and yeah, you've seen in profit here, it's going up. So if you started from here going up like that, you can make profits like from this point to this other point. You make profit, and from here to this point depends on how much lot size you're trading with. But for the meantime, I won't allow you to trade with a big lot size because you're going to lose out a lot of money. So as you can see right now, I have in excess money in this account, so yeah, you can do whatever. So if I let the buy be like that without closing it or putting a stop loss, I can actually lose everything if it just drops down like that. So if it drops with under the red line, then I'm going to make profit. So when it reaches above 50, I'm going to close this one. I'm going to wait for that one. It drops, and I'm going to show you. I don't know if I'm going to show you, but I know it's going to drop. Although right now I feel tired, I feel like sleeping. So looking at the time frame for 30 minutes, the stocks will be going down. 1 hour, the stocks will be going down. Like the graph is showing down here. So I'll worry about anything. I can take my rest. The time I wake up, I'll be in profit. So yeah, let me just close it. It has been gone beyond. Yeah, let's close it at 70 now. Let's close it at 70. Yeah, anyways, yeah, close it at 68. Just going to wait for that drop. As it is going, I can still open another sale. So at least I have two, because I'm positive about this. Though the way I'm trading is kind of dangerous if you have a smaller account, because the moment it exceeds, like it goes beyond, because this is like $100. So if your account is less than $100, you can risk losing everything you have. So the way I'm trading right now, since I know I have in excess money, so I can trade my, like, but the lot size is small, so I can open positions like that. But maybe I can still hang around. I just wait for that drop, because it's going to drop anytime soon. It's going to drop anytime soon, obviously. You just chill for it, so I can show you how much you're going to make if it just goes down. Yeah, so this is somehow a risk I like taking. Looking at how much is there, at least I can take that risk. Like if the money exceeds, if your account is less than this amount, you risk losing everything. Sometimes it can even go as far as $1,000, $1,000 in the negative, just like they have open positions. But to avoid risks, always make sure after the drop, because I'm only doing this just to show you how the market is going to go. Just after the drop, when it starts going up, like like the way it dropped from here, from this point here, the way it dropped from this point up to here. So from this point here going up, it went up, and let me zoom in. I just zoom in for you right now. Yeah, just zoom in. Yeah, so from this point it started. It was just going up. There was a drop here, but it doesn't show on the graph. So it went up to going up to here. So like all these were profits up to there, and it dropped again. So when it drops from this point to there, you can lose. You can almost lose everything. But if you're selling from this point going up, you can risk blowing your account. Then that's one thing we don't want, you blowing your account. So best thing as you are starting, and the best thing you can do is always start from this point down. When it just drops, you can start from the down point there. Always start from there, because if you check out the graphs, this point was a drop. So if you bought from here going up to here, then it drops, you could have lost a few dollars, but it will start going up again, and again it drops. So just the same thing. If you had bought from here, it drops again. From here again, it goes up. You get cap. You start from here, it drops, it reaches here, it goes up again. So you still be in profit with your buys. Yeah, you still be in profit, and that's the best thing. That's just the best part about this. Yeah. So yeah, I'm still waiting for that drop to come. I know it's going to drop as soon as it reaches this mark somewhere here. It's going to drop. So yeah, like it has dropped. Like right now, it has dropped. If you check, you're in profit of like 2,000 now. You dig? Like I'm in profit of 2,000 just right there. Yeah, that's just the thing, man. You see how easy it is. You see how easy it is. So like from there, I can just open a position of buy, and it goes up, and that's how you make money. Like yeah, just that way you make thousands of dollars in just a few seconds, man.